Hello and welcome. I know you all came here after watching my thumbnail and you are thinking that how a non-skilled person can earn more money than a skilled person, and you would be wondering that I will sell you some kind of scam. But no, I am not gonna ask you to spend any money or purchase anything from me. So let's just start the video. Let's come to the point that how we can earn money. So you would have seen many influencers selling their courses, and you would have doubted that can we earn money from these courses, or do these influencers actually made their money from these courses? So the answer is you can make money from these courses, but it just completely depends upon the number of orders or the number of audience you have. So you cannot buy that sports car you are watching in videos. So to prove my words that how a non-skilled person can earn more money than a skilled person, you need to understand how these influencers made their money and how you can make big money. So let's just see this with an example. Let's assume there are two persons. One's name is Jack, and Jack sells burgers and make his income. Whereas Trump don't know how to make burgers, but he knows how to attract people, and he decided to visit schools, colleges and offices and canteens everywhere he can to take some orders for the burgers. And after his visit, he had a list of contacts with the order of burgers, and then he made a deal with Jack to give him burgers on low price for taking such big orders on daily basis. And then he started selling those burgers with his commission, and within just few months he became partner with Jack, and they both run a successful business. And this is what these influencers do. They either have a skill or not. They just collect audience, and when you get audience, you can sell them anything on a really large scale. And this is the reason behind their success. So if you have a skill or not, just start working on getting audience either through social media or through offline resources. And this is the point of our video. So this video ends here, and goodbye.